Hey, so if virtualization is already enabled but LDPlayer still feels slow, yeah, that can be really frustrating. The good news is, there are a few tweaks that can actually boost performance a lot. Alright, first open LDPlayer settings and go to Advanced Settings. Increase your CPU cores and RAM allocation. If it's too low, the emulator won't run smoothly. Next, switch the graphics rendering mode. Try DirectX if you're on OpenGL, or the other way around. One usually performs better depending on your system. Now go to your Windows graphics settings and set LDPlayer to high performance. This forces it to use your dedicated GPU instead of the integrated one. Okay, so lower your emulator resolution and DPI in settings. Higher resolution looks better, but yeah, it also slows things down. Also, close unnecessary apps running in the background. Too many processes can eat up CPU and RAM, making LDPlayer lag. If you haven't already, disable Hyper-V and other virtual machine features. Even with virtualization on, these can reduce performance. And yeah, install LDPlayer on an SSD if possible. Plus, make sure you're using the latest version for better optimization. So yeah, even if virtualization is enabled, these extra tweaks can make a big difference. Try them out, and your LDPlayer should run a lot smoother.